All right, so this one will be a little quick. I had a question about how do you remove tags that you've created. Okay, so if you go to settings down here on the menu, and then you go all the way to the bottom of the settings, and then you see tags right here. If you click on these are all of the tags that you added that are currently active. So you can add new tags here if you would like. Just put a tag name. Um, you can add a new tag name and it'll populate in here in the background for you. All right, so that's in here. Now, if you want to delete them, you will just need to click on the three dots on the right. You can hit delete. If you need to edit it, you can click edit. If you have multiple ones that you want to delete, you can click on the bulk actions button here and click on delete, select the tags. If you want to search for some tags, you can search for that as well too. So if you have some that's starting with client, you can search for those and edit those and delete those if you need to. All right, so that's how you use the tags menu in the settings.